myself, I want to thank Uncle William because when I was in the hospital, sit with me. Uncle William visited me and brought, bakit wala talaga? And brought me my favorite, which was congee with century egg. I did not know that it was my favorite. But he brought that to me, so I really appreciated that a lot. And then, on behalf of my family also, I want to thank Uncle William because I see how he's very malasakit with my dad and always takes the opportunity to assist me. So actually, last year, I bought a gift for the three of them. So my dad's name is Rogelio, so it's a personal, it's a handkerchief with their so that's letter R. And then Tomas, letter T for Tito June Rodriguez. And then W for Uncle William, because they are the titos of Mahjong in Seaview every Sunday, so they've been barkada. So their initials is RTW. But seeing the life of Uncle William, I think RTW means ready to worship. And he's always been ready to worship the Lord in every opportunity, and he shows that by his advocacy of visiting and being there for people. So happy birthday.
Thank you. And last but not the least,